In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make these beautiful earrings. By the request of so many of you, I've been adding English audio instructions to my latest videos, and you can easily adjust the subtitle to your own language. This is Manori's channel, and welcome to another jewelry tutorial using simple crochet methods and techniques. For making these models, I used the lace yarn and a hook with a size of 0.85 mm. The first step is making small squares. The number of chains should be based on your yarn size. For the tutorial, I'm using a super fine yarn and a bigger hook with a size of 1.5 mm. For this tutorial, I'm making 6 chains. And then in each chain, I'm making a single crochet. And overall there are 5 single crochet stitches. Then I'm making a chain, turn the work around. In each stitch I'm making 1 single crochet. And then again we have 5 single crochet stitches. I'm making a chain, turn the work around, and then again in each stitch I'm making 1 single crochet. I'm repeating this process till I have a perfect square. Now the second step is how to make these small squares into triangles by simply folding them. We could use glue for sticking these triangles together, or we could use sewing the edges with a thread and a needle. The third step is making these 5 tiny triangles into a beautiful shape like this. The key is the bigger side, which is the side that isn't sewn, should be facing down or downward each time. And we could also use gluing or sewing for this part. And for the last step, I'm sewing an antique shiny button in the center of the earring. And at the end, you can either use needle clip-ons or earring hooks. And that's how we make a set of beautiful earrings with some creativity and innovation. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and hit subscribe. Have a great day!